What we are going to show you is the VVIP brat mindset. We're talking about a man named Deepak who was driving a supercar in Noida Sector 94, a Lamborghini to be precise, and his vehicle hit two pedestrians on a footpath adjacent to a construction site. But as if that wasn't enough, when the driver was confronted, he brazenly asked, "Did someone die?" Watch this.
क्या भाई स्टंट ज़्यादा सीख लिए स्टंट ज़्यादा सीख लिए कितना आदमी मरा पता है तो मर गया इधर तो क्या देख उधर पुलिस को बुलाओ पहले पुलिस को बुलाओ भैया अभी तुम्हारा गाड़ी किसका लग गई भैया पुलिस को बुलाओ भाग नहीं पाए रेस मारती गाड़ी रेस तुम कितना है अरे लेटर देते हुए आ रहे हो हल्का सा दिए हो
The driver of the Lamborghini, who goes by the name Deepak, has now been arrested. The car has also been seized and a case has been registered in this regard.
We are currently reporting from the Charkha roundabout, the place where last day around 5 in the evening, a red Lamborghini struck down two people who were going on the footpath. This is the exact spot where the accident happened at 5 in the evening last day. The driver named Deepak was driving Ferrari, according to the eyewitnesses, in a very high speed when the car was passing from this particular road. It skid down because of the certain debris, the certain sand because of the construction site, and slammed this particular side of the footpath. At the spot only the police arrived and those people was rushed to the emergency for the emergency medical treatment. Currently they are out of danger. The driver Deepak was arrested by the police and later the medical test also happened to see if there is a situation of drunken driving. However, not such anything have arrived so far. According to the official, the car had the Pondicherry number registered under the name of Mr. Mridul, who is said to be living in Supernova.
So that was the report filed by my colleague Shivam. He's joining us live on the broadcast as well. Shivam, the police investigations continue into the case. We saw the video as well just moments after that accident as the laborers were left grievously injured. The man was seen asking, "Did somebody die?" Some of the eyewitnesses said that he was inebriated. What are the police investigations revealing in the case?
Yes, Pratibha. In fact, one of the first things this police wanted to clarify was if there is a case of drunk and driving, because these situations becomes more serious when such things arrive, and also because of the kind of the claims made by the certain eyewitnesses there who were saying that because of the body language, because of the way he was speaking, it doesn't look like he was in complete sense. But the accused Deepak was sent to medical test last evening to clarify everything, and as for now from the sources, a case of drunken driving has not been made, although he has been arrested after an FIR was filed against him by the son of one of the two members who were injured in the particular incident. As we have seen in the visuals of the car as well, you see the speed, you can have the idea of the speed with which Deepak was driving the car, because you have seen the right side, the rear view mirror, the tires of the right side were completely shattered after the particular collision happened on that particular day. And remember, it's Lamborghini, it's not some easy or some very low maintenance car. It is a high build quality car, and if that car comes to this situation, if the car is broken to this level, this shows that the speed limit was clearly up to above the mark, as the eyewitnesses have also said that yes, it was easily above 100 kilometers per hour, which was the maximum permissible speed of the lightweight vehicles, at least in the Noida region. Mridul is said to be the resident of Ajmer. He is said to be, according to sources, the broker, and the car number was registered in Pondicherry, and it belongs to Mridul, who is a famous YouTuber. However, it is still to be clarified whether Mridul was going to sell this car to Deepak or not. It's something which the police is also investigating.
Okay, all right. But the visuals and the impact that it has had on the car gives you an indication of how the moment of the accident would have been and the impact that it has had on the vehicle as well. So it was speeding. That's something that the eyewitnesses have also revealed when we spoke to them. They did say that the driver appeared to be in an inebriated condition, but that claim has not been corroborated yet. But listen into what the eyewitnesses said about the accident.
पौंडीचेरी गाड़ी 6000 नंबर है इसका, तो वहाँ से भगी गई।
काफी तेज स्पीड में थी।
हाँ, 150-170 होगी कम से कम। वहाँ से तो भगी गई वहाँ से, तो मैं पीछे गया, इसके अट्रैक्ट होता हुआ गाड़ी से कि किसकी गाड़ी ऐसे भगी गई, अट्रैक्ट होता हुआ मैं इसके पीछे गया, तो मैंने देखा 6000 नंबर पीछे, तो वहाँ पे भगी गई, तो लेफ्ट में कट है, तो वहाँ पे एम्बेरस हो गया। बंदा शायद ड्रिंक था मेरे हिसाब से तो, और उसकी गाड़ी अकेला बंदा था, तो मैं थोड़ा एम्बेरस हो गया, कुछ चक्कर हो, मैं निकल जाता हूँ यहाँ से, तो उसने हिट करते साइड में रुक गया। फिर गार्ड वगैरह बहुत भीड़ इकट्ठी हुई, तो वही भीड़ इकट्ठी हुई, बंदा एम्बेरस हुआ बाहर उतरा। फिर मैंने तब देखा तो उसकी गाड़ी में लेफ्ट साइड पे पैसेंजर साइड पे शॉपिंग के बैग रखे थे, कैल्विन क्लेन के, एक बैग और था, कौन सा था इतना याद नहीं करा, वहाँ से निकल गया था। पर बंदा बहुत ही नशे में था।
आपको लग रहा है कि वो
ड्रिंक में था? ड्रिंक था, क्योंकि जो गाड़ी जिस सबसे भगाई स्पीड में तो कंट्रोल कर सकता, कोई भी 160-70 स्पीड थी, पर वो ड्रिंक में था जिससे कंट्रोल नहीं, और हिट करके वो डिवाइडर में गाड़ी उसने घुसा दी।
Thanking Shivam for joining us with those details and shifting